fellow crocheters, it's Janet with CrochetPatternsForBeginners.com. Thanks for stopping by today. Today we're going to learn how to do a slip stitch. So let's get started. Also, I'm using a K crochet hook, which is a 6.5 millimeter, and worsted weight yarn number 4. So go ahead and just grab a hook. It doesn't matter what size. Really, a scrap of yarn is just all you need here. And let's get started. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is we're going to learn how to do the slip stitch here. So in order to do that, just a couple things about this stitch. Usually it is used in two different ways. It's used to join circles, and it's also used to join seams. Although there are pieces that are actually just made out of slip stitch because it does kind of look like a knitting stitch. But for all intents and purposes today, we're just going to learn how to do the slip stitch, the simple slip stitch. So let's go ahead and let's chain, let's chain 6. Now let's chain 8, 7, 8. Okay, sorry. So please chain 8, all right, and then do single crochet into the second chain from the hook, all the way to the end. So that means that we should have, when we're done here, we'll have 7 single crochets. Okay, so let's just do this together. Just get your single crochet. If I'm going too fast, don't worry about it. Just stop the video and get 7 single crochets done so that we can do this, and I'm confident with 7 that you'll pick it up right away because it's really super easy. Okay, all right, so we've done 7 single crochets. Now we're going to chain 1 and we're going to turn, and we're going to slip stitch across. So the first thing that you do is you just insert your hook into the first stitch. All right, go ahead and pull through that stitch and pull through the loop. That's all it is. There's nothing, it's not a single crochet, it is half a step of a single crochet. So let's do this again. Go ahead, insert your hook, pull through, and pull through. That's it. Insert your hook, pull through, pull through. Insert your hook and pull through. Insert your hook, pull through. Insert your hook, yarn over once, just pull through. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. And if you'll notice this, the knit stitch is actually pulling to the front, and that's one of the reasons why I told you that even though it's this crochet stitch, it does kind of look like a knit stitch. So there are some fun things that you can do with it, but that is how you do the slip stitch. Thanks again so much for stopping by, and happy crocheting!